Ladies and gentlemen, good evening, and welcome to the TVS Electronics Limited Q2 and H1 FY26 earnings conference call, hosted by Valorum Advisors. As a reminder, all participant lines will be in the listen-only mode, and there will be an opportunity for you to ask questions after the presentation concludes. Should you need assistance during the conference call, please signal an operator by pressing star, then 0 on a touch-tone phone. Please note that this conference is being recorded. I now hand the conference over to Ms. Hina Khatri from Valorum Advisors. Thank you, and over to you, ma'am.
Thank you. Good evening, everyone, and a warm welcome to you all. My name is Hina Khatri from Valorum Advisors. We represent the investor relations of TVS Electronics Limited. On behalf of the company and Valorum Advisors, I would like to thank you all for participating in the company earnings call for the second quarter and the first half of the financial year 2026. Before we begin, let me mention a short cautionary statement of some of the statements made in today's earnings call may be forward-looking in nature. Such forward-looking statements are subject to risk and uncertainties, which could cause actual results to differ from those anticipated. Such statements are based on management's belief as well as assumptions made by the information currently available to the management. Audiences are cautioned not to place any undue reliance on this forward-looking statements in making any investment decisions. The purpose of today's earnings call is purely to educate and bring awareness about the company's fundamental business and financial quarter under review. Let me now introduce you to the management participating with us in today's earnings call and hand it over to them for opening remarks. We have with us Mrs. Shri Lalita Gopal, Managing Director, and Mr. A.K. Vellu, Chief Financial Officer. Without any further delay, I request Mrs. Shri Lalita Gopal to start with her opening remarks. Thank you, and over to you, ma'am.
Thank you, Hina. Good evening, everyone. Welcome to our earnings call to discuss the performance of the second quarter and first half of the financial year 2026. As you may already be aware, I just give you a brief background of TVS Electronics. It is incorporated in 1986, headed in Chennai with a state-of-the-art manufacturing plant located in Tumkuru, Karnataka. We have broadly two business units, Products and Solutions Group and Customer Support Services. In the Products and Solutions Group, we offer point-of-transaction products and integrated solutions. In the field support, under Customer Support Services, we provide infrastructure managed services for IT and IT peripherals, and operations and maintenance for solar, followed by electronic manufacturing services. The details of what we cover and what we offer is available both on our website and in our annual reports. So without wasting much time, I would like to hand over the call to Mr. A.K. Vellu, our CFO, to provide key financial and operational highlights for the quarter under review.
Thank you, ma'am. Good evening, everyone. For the second quarter of financial year 2026, the consolidated revenue from operations stood at around 128 crores, which increased by 22% year-on-year. EBITDA for the quarter was around 5 crore, representing an increase by 81% on year-on-year basis. And net profit came in at around 1.5 crores. Our Products and Solutions vertical delivered a strong quarter with a revenue of 93 crores, reflecting a 27% year-on-year growth. This was driven by higher volumes in existing programs as well as contribution from new products and solutions offerings, particularly in the manufacturing and logistics segments. The Customer Support Service vertical reported revenue of 35 crores, 10% year-on-year growth, supported by higher volumes across all the sub-business verticals. For the first half of the financial year 26, the consolidated revenue from operations stood at around 224 crores, which is an increase of approximately 4% year-on-year. EBITDA for the same period was around 6 crores, representing a growth of 5% year-on-year. And the net loss was reported at approximately 2 crores for the same period. With that, now we open the floor for questions and answers now. Thank you.
Thank you very much. We will now begin the question and answer session. Anyone who wishes to ask a question may press star and one on the touchtone telephone. If you wish to remove yourself from the question queue, you may press star and two. Participants are requested to use handsets while asking a question. Ladies and gentlemen, we will wait for a moment while the question queue assembles. A reminder to all, anyone who wishes to ask a question may press star and one on their touchtone telephone. The first question is from the line of Abhijit from AppSec. Please go ahead.
Congratulations, ma'am, and Velu sir. Good set of numbers. Just wanted to understand the product group has grown substantially. Now, is this something which can be expected to continue in the future, or is it like a one-off? Since the H1 numbers look similar, but overall the quarter numbers look excellent.
Yeah, that's a good question, Abhijit. I think as we mentioned in the earlier calls, we have taken a lot of long-term initiatives focusing on our growth, and we have started seeing results from those initiatives. With that, we are seeing that revenue is growing in both PSG and CSS, and we expect this growth initiatives to continue to give the similar results going forward. But however, subject to any market fluctuations.
Fair, but you think the trend is basically up. It is not like a one-off thing, which is on the higher side, right? Yeah,
we are seeing that the initiatives have started showing giving the results.
And any particular segment, like is it the point of sale or this AIDC machines? Which one is the one which is helping us the growth?
We are seeing growth across products and segments.
All right. In addition, so any new customers who have been added over the last quarter or so, big customers, or it's basically growth over existing customers in existing customer list?
See, there is growth over existing customers, as well as in case of few products, there are new customers. So it is a contribution of both.
Okay. Any names which can be shared?
No, I think names we can't share. Anyway, I think when the annual reports time, we will add the big customers with the customer's permission, because few customers have the NDA also. So once we have the permission, we will add that in our quarterly results, investor presentation, as well as annual report. All right.
Great, sir. Sir, ma'am, this EMS division, if you can throw some light as to what is the growth and how are you looking the whole thing growing in terms of customers, as well as what's your outlook for the year?
See, as we mentioned earlier, EMS is part of CSS segment, and across all the segments and sub-verticals, we are seeing growth. Customers getting added, and the growth is also seen across all the segments.
Specifically about EMS, I wanted to know, because that's like a thing which has grown very well with a lot of companies. So we were ramping it up, or whether we are making a very good base. But can you throw some more light as to what are the things which have changed? Have we been able to break customers, get some customers, and any revenue potential estimate for the same?
See, all the segments, as I mentioned, there is a customer addition. So that means the EMS also there is a customer addition with which we are having the revenue growth. As of now, we won't be able to share the name of the customer.
Okay, and approximate revenue potential?
No, I think numbers, we don't share because that is all forward-looking and we don't share as a policy.
Okay. All right. And about, say, the solar O&M, last, I think, somewhere we had done this 1.8 gigawatt. Can we have an idea about where we stand right now? In terms of the
range of 2 to 3 gigawatt, it is in that range, and there also we are seeing that customer acquisition is steadily happening.
Okay. Our earlier focus was on Tata Power and Hinduja Renewables. Have we been able to crack more customers or any good big names?
See, there are new customers. There are new customers, but names will be shared at the appropriate time and through the investor presentations. Yeah, Abhijit, any more questions?
He disconnected the line. Thank you. The next question is from the line of Zaki Nasser. Please go ahead.
Good afternoon, Mr. Velu. Good afternoon, ma'am, and congratulations on a turnaround quarter. Sir, would we expect the full year to close with this kind of growth, the 20% you've clocked on September to September? That is my question number one. Question number two is, TVS had a portfolio in its portfolio, the camera business. So I believe there are some regulatory changes in that. So can you just throw some light on that, and how would you want to take that forward? Thank you.
See, as I mentioned in the beginning of the call, all our growth initiatives started showing results, and we are expecting the same trend to continue in the coming quarter also. But as I mentioned to Mr. Abhijit, we don't give any specific forward-looking statements, so I'm not able to quantify or give how much we will grow in the H2. As far as the camera, yes, it is one of our products. It is like all the other products that is also in our product portfolio, and we are focusing on selling all our product portfolio. We will not be able to give any specific for any specific product, but that is also part of our entire product portfolio.
No, sir. In terms of most of these products, a lot of your competition was imported from China. So do you see the trend slowing down?
See, most of the products are imported from China. It is not only camera. So competition is there, but we have our USP, our GTM, and our unique service reach and all those things, and quality focus, so with which we are able to import and sell all products which we are focusing.
Thank you, sir. Best wishes.
Yeah, welcome. Thanks.
Thank you. The next question is from the line of Manan Patel, an individual investor. Please go ahead.
Am I audible?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Thank you for the opportunity and congratulations for the great set of numbers. Sir, the first question is related to the products group. So, can you help us break it up in terms of B2B and B2C revenues, which we do? Because, sir, your answer that all the groups have done well is not very helpful. Because if I look at your page on Amazon, for example, it's very outdated page. I understand that you have launched printers for home use and home office and all those things, but I cannot find those on Amazon. Plus, if I look at Amazon page, you still have cameras there, but if I click on cameras, I don't find any cameras or CCTV cameras especially. I'm talking about Amazon and e-com channels. So it would be helpful if you can help us understand the distribution strategy of the company. Are we present on e-com, or e-com is not on our radar? and how do we understand the products which are B2C? So it would be helpful if you can throw some granularity. Answer like all the products have grown doesn't help us at all.
See, from the beginning, TVS's focus is B2B. B2C, we just keep a presence to have a convenience for the customers. If anybody wants to buy, individual customers, they can buy. But as a TVS as a company, our focus is B2B. So for the PSG, our product focus is all towards B2B customers. Hope that clarifies your question.
So the product launches, for example, new printers for home office, home use and all, you will not be selling it through e-com at all?
Our GTM is through channel partners. Okay, the channel partners also have a good reach to retail customers. So with that, currently you are able to reach major part of the retail customers. So the e-commerce is just an additional enabler. If any customer willing to buy from them, so it is available in the e-commerce portal.
So that's what I'm asking, sir. It is not available in e-com. So if I want to buy a printer, should I go physically to the shop and buy? Because your website also doesn't give a direct code. I have to put an email, I have to put phone number, then they will contact me. So
true. That's what our focus is, not exactly B2C. So our focus is B2B. So that is where all our products are.
A lot of small businesses also again buy on e-com.
I think you can reach out to our customer service. They'll support you. If you have a specific requirement, our customer support, you can reach out. Or I can even inform my product team, my sales team person. I'll share your details, so they will get in touch with you to address your requirements.
I'm asking from an investor perspective. This can help us grow substantially fast because there are most foreign companies in printers, and we make in India TVS electronics product on Amazon. I'm sure you will have a much faster growth. So that is it on product. The second question is on the EMS. So from what I understand, you were saying all groups in CSS. We have added EMS business. It has grown around growth is around 3 crores compared to last quarter. So again, have we done any business in EMS at all, or like is it very small, or has that business not started yet? From what I understand, the EMS head, Mr. Satya, has also left the organization. So can you give some clarity on where this business is going for us?
Yeah, I think as captured by you, the CSS customer support business has grown by 10% over previous year. EMS as a service business is a part of that customer support service business. And as we have onboarded a few customers, that also has contributed to the revenue in this quarter. And as regards Mr. Satya, it is unfortunate and his personal decision. So we had to let it go. So that is the developments as far as customer support service business is concerned.
Sorry to interrupt, Mr. Manan. I would request you to kindly rejoin the queue for the follow-up questions.
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you. The next question is from the line of Ganesha, an individual investor. Please go ahead.
Hello.
Yes, sir. Please proceed.
Yeah, hi. I just wanted to know about the EMS business. If we have got customers in EMS business, then how much time does it take to ramp up that business? Like any particular client, or if onboards the company, then what would be the time frame we can look at for ramping the business for this client? Like 2 quarters, 3 quarters, like 4 quarters. Can you share some details?
The EMS business has a long gestation period for onboarding a customer. Okay. Any other service business or our product business, onboarding a customer may happen in 1 or 2 quarters. Whereas EMS business is a different segment and it has a long duration gestation period to onboard a customer. which varies from 3 to 4 quarters. So it is like almost a year. Because the business development process is different from other businesses. That's the only.
Oh, okay. So we have onboarded some customers. So in a 1 year time frame, we can see some ramp up from them, right? That's what you are saying.
No, I'm saying how the business development process works. So we are continuing to put our business development efforts. So with that, we should see the customers onboarding to continue in the coming quarters as well, coming years as well.
Okay, thank you.
Welcome.
Thank you. The next question is from the line of Sandeep Kumar Patwa, an individual investor. Please go ahead.
Yeah, hi, good evening. Am I audible?
Yeah.
Yes, please proceed.
Yeah, so I have 2-3 questions. So first of all, I'm new to the company, so just wanted to understand your facility, which is at Concall, which is a factory. So the products which you manufacture, basically the CCTV, barcode machines, printers, and all that. So basically, you all manufacture from the start, or you just assemble these products? Like you use raw materials are gathered from various locations, and you assemble, or you manufacture these products? So that is my first question.
See, it is a mix. Few products we manufacture, we procure all the raw materials and we manufacture in our Tumkuru factory. And few products we import in SKD condition and we assemble with some value add from our side. So a few products we directly purely pay. So there are 3 kind of segments in that product business.
Okay. Like which 3 segments?
Internally, if you say, we manufacture completely. We procure internally and we manufacture. We import in SKD and we assemble with value adds from our side. Third is we purely import and sell. Trading.
Okay, understood. Okay. So just can you give me the details which you manufacture in your facility, like products which you wholly manufacture in your facility?
Those details are more covered in the annual report. If you see what are the products we manufacture, all those detailed information is available in the annual report.
Okay. I mean, just I was asking a couple, like CCTV camera, your printers, all this, like you might be manufacturing, right?
The DMP is one of the key products which we manufacture, which is our flagship product. Keyboard and DMP printer, the dot matrix printer.
Okay. And this security CCTV camera, which like government is also targeting to manufacture make in India. So like recently government has announced a tender. Like Indian Railways will require so much CCTV camera to be put in all the locomotives. So are you exploring that venture? Like are you going for bidding for that contract?
We can't give those kind of details because this is so specific question. We participate in multiple government tenders, so we won't be able to share all the details because it's all company confidential. So
yeah, but are you exploring in that area, going in that area, just a color you can give, will your company be interested in going to that area?
See, our sales team participates in multiple tenders, so only sales team will have detail of which one they participate or not. So I won't be able to give a ready-made answer to your question, but we participate in multiple government tenders. That is our focus because government and BFSI are our focus segments.
Okay, understood. And regarding one more question regarding this EBITDA margin, what you have done around 2.76%. So since your facility is being ramping up, operating leverage will also come into play in the coming quarters. So is there a possibility of expansion in the EBITDA margin?
I think as the revenue scales and fixed costs remains at the same level, I think the margins should improve. That will be the natural phenomenon. I think it should happen.
Okay. And can you give me some color, do a facility which is the Concall, how much utilization has happened till now, any percentage or any metrics you track, how much optimum utilization can we, expect from this facility so that the margins can be improved further, any metric or something?
See, utilization, if I mention, you may not be able to correlate, but if you just give a flavor for you, currently we are manufacturing only one shift. We have the capacity to manufacture in 3 shifts. So that will directly, we can triple our production manufacturing capacity in the same facility. That is the kind of opportunity available to improve the revenue as well as margins.
Okay. So currently you are doing in only one shift?
Yes.
So, are you seeing that demand, going forward, you will be tripling the shift and, something or maybe like that, or to improve the margins?
That is all will be based on requirement. As the requirement grows, we will start moving to second shift and third shift as and when required. But that is the plan. We will manage. We will not expand and invest without doing 3 shifts. So we will
Okay. And also, in your business,
in between, Mr. Sandeep Kumar, I would request you to rejoin the queue again for the follow-up questions, as we have other participants waiting for their turn.
Okay.
Yeah, thank you very much. The next question is from the line of Abhijit from AppSec. Please go ahead.
Yeah, just a continuation of the earlier questions. There was a certificate which we had applied for. If you can share the status, this was for the auto EMS side. Have we received it, and is it helpful for getting some clients for the same?
We have received a certification, and yes, it will be helpful for onboarding customers because that is the main purpose of obtaining a certificate. So it will be helpful.
Okay. All right, that is one thing. And so anything else which can be shared? Are we looking at multiple auto customers, or is it anything based on that certificate?
See, we are looking at multiple business vertical customers. So not only limited to auto. Yes.
Achha. Second being, like it was mentioned that Mr. Satya has unfortunately left. Are we looking to get a new CEO for the same, or we are looking to get it internally, we want to manage it?
I think we will do the necessary things at the right time.
Great. All right.
Thank you.
Thank you. The next question is from the line of Manan Patel, an individual investor. Please go ahead.
Hello. So, sir, wanted to understand your employee cost. So it has been inching up. So now we are at the run rate of almost 85 crores. So when do we expect this run rate to stabilize?
See, in a growth business, when you want to grow the business, also you have to invest in business development one. Then when the business grows, operations people you need to add. So both this you will see that we have to invest on. So you will see the growth in employee cost, but it will be mainly growth driven.
Okay. And sir, I wanted to understand, we had 2 launches like TVS IKEA, TVS AIDC. So I wanted to understand the nature of these products or services. So are they like we sell them one time, or they will have recurring revenue for us? If you can explain both of them.
It is the same product. TVS IKEA is under our customer support services, where we provide IT infra management services using remote or a RIM model, the remote infra management service model. So this model we have developed and rolled out in the launch when we announced, which enables, like, we don't have to deploy all the people at the customer site. We can manage the maximum part of the work using our remote capabilities. That is the main USP of this product.
So, sir, this is a one-time license sale, or it will be a continuous recurring revenue for us?
It will be a continuous AMC, recurring revenue, because it will be a contractual annual contract with an annual recurring revenue.
Okay. And what about AIDC?
The AIDC is a part of one of the GTM for products, PSG. It is a go-to-market approach. Like how we have a channel partner and corporate sales, it is another alternate distribution channel through which we are marketing a few of the specific products.
Okay, but that will not have a services component to it.
No, that is a product business. So that is a purely sales channel for our product business.
And sir, we had launched, last question, we had launched our products in, I think, Nepal and Sri Lanka. So how is the traction there, and can we see it growing substantially over the next few years?
In Nepal and Sri Lanka, no?
Yes.
Yeah, I think we have established our sales channel in Nepal and Sri Lanka as part of our expanding sales channel. So I think that since it's a nascent stage, it will take time to grow. It is a new initiative. Yeah, thank you. Thank you.
Thanks a lot. Wish you all the best.
Thank you.
Thank you. The next question is from the line of Rohit, an individual investor. Please go ahead.
Hi, sir. This is Rohit. I just wanted to know about the steel line. What is the current engine rate and also...
Sorry to interrupt in between, sir. Sorry to interrupt in between, Mr. Rohit. Your voice is not audible.
Hi. Am I audible?
Yes, you're audible, but your voice was breaking in between, sir.
I just wanted to know the utilization. I just wanted to know the utilization rate on the SMT line and also the upcoming status of the upcoming SMT lines as well.
See, as I mentioned during the call, currently we are operating our Tumkur factory on a single shift basis, and further investments in SMT line will be decided based on the requirement from time to time basis.
And sir, I had one more question. What are the key industries we'll be targeting through these SMT lines?
See, as mentioned during the call, one is auto industry, then power electronics, then industrial electronics. So these are the key focus areas.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. The next question is from the line of Ritik from TVS Electronics. Please go ahead.
Hello.
Hello.
Yes, sir. Please proceed.
Yeah. Am I audible, sir?
Yes.
So congrats, sir, for a good set of numbers. So my question is for EMS side. So what is the capex plan, and how will I going to fund this capex?
You are an individual investor?
Yeah.
Hello. Yeah, if you can repeat the question.
Am I audible? Sir, I have a question from EMS side. So what is the capex plan, and how will you fund it?
Ritik, sorry to interrupt. This is Santosh, Company Secretary of TVS Electronics. Just wanted to understand if you can just tell your name and also the firm name or the investment company name so that we will have it for record, please.
Yeah, sorry. So I have my own fund currently.
Okay.
And it is around maybe 50 crores. And I found this company very interesting, given that you are entering into EMS. So yeah.
Got it. Okay. Sure.
See, on the EMS side, we have, and as of now, one line. And regarding the capex, yes, we invested 15 crore for putting this entire line in place. Future investments we will make as and when required, based on business requirement.
Sir, I have another question. It's the last one. So, what's your target R&D expense as a percentage of revenue?
I think our target is 2 to 3% is to invest on the R&D and all the growth initiatives.
Okay, and will it increase going forward, or do you want to keep it at this level?
Yes, the revenue grows, the absolute amount of keeps growing. So I think that should help us.
Okay. And what will be the, so whatever R&D you are going to accept, what sort of product that we can see coming up through this R&D?
I think those details are covered in our annual report. See, we have a focusing for having our own IP products and our own improved existing products. These both are the initiatives which we are addressing through the R&D program.
Okay, sir. Thank you so much for taking my questions, and I'll back in it. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Well, thank you.
Thank you. The next follow-up question is from the line of Sandeep Kumar Patwa, an individual investor. Please go ahead.
Yeah, hi sir. Thank you for the follow-up question. Yeah, so my question was regarding in your business, how is the business generation happens? Like since you cater to B2B, so is there some sort of order booking we do? Any sort of order booking we do first, and then we provide the customer according to how much they have ordered the products. How is the business happen? Just wanted to have an idea on that.
See, all the businesses, when it is a corporate sale, we have a funnel, then we create a customer order book, then from there it gets into conversion. So that is the 3 stages.
Okay. So in this, basically we take some advances from the customer, or after the delivery of the final product we get the payment.
It varies because first we evaluate the customer's credit worthiness. Based on that, we decide how much we can extend credit to them. Based on that, whether we have to take advance or credit also is decided. So it is purely based on the customer's credit worthiness. We have a evaluation system and process. Based on that, we do the evaluation and decide these factors.
Okay. Also, some sort of order book number do you have, which we can share, these are the orders outstanding, or is it not possible?
That is again a forward-looking statement, so we don't, as a policy, we don't share those details.
Okay. And one thing in this year, this products business, any mix of government contracts and private contracts, can you provide how much is government contracts and how much is private contracts?
See, we won't be able to give a percentage, but government, BFSI and retail sector are our key focus sectors. And now manufacturing and logistics also getting added to that. So these are our focus sectors.
Okay. And just if you can share some, percentage CAGR growth you are targeting from a fire perspective, anything in terms of revenue.
Again, it has become forward-looking statement. I can talk about past. Past we have grown 18% CAGR.
Okay. Sure. Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, as there are no further questions, I now hand the conference over to the management for closing comments.
Thanks, everyone. Thanks for your valuable time and inputs. We are looking forward to meeting you in the next half of the year. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. On behalf of TVS Electronics Limited, that concludes this conference. Thank you for joining us today, and you may now disconnect your lines.